Hi students, I hope all are well. In the previous video, we have seen which are the articles, the kinds of articles and the use of articles. In this video, we are going to see about the indefinite articles. So, before we going to start, let's see which are the articles. Which are the articles? A and the. A and the. So there are two kinds of articles. Which are they? Definite and indefinite articles. Definite article and indefinite articles. Which is the definite article? The. Which are the indefinite articles? A or an. So now let's see indefinite articles a and an. A and an are indefinite articles. So where do we use articles? We use articles before noun, संज्ञा के पहले यूज करते हैं. Dear students, a and an are the indefinite articles. So indefinite articles are used before a singular countable noun. Indefinite articles used before a singular countable noun. Also, they do not refer a particular thing, place, animal or person. They do not refer a particular thing, place or person. So indefinite articles do not use before the uncountable or the plural noun. जो बहुवचन संज्ञा और uncountable जो गिन नहीं सकती उनके पहले यूज नहीं करते हैं. It use before a singular countable noun only. We use a before words that begin with a consonant or consonant sound. We use a before words that begin with a consonant or consonant sound. Where do we use a? We use a before words that begin with a consonant or consonant sound. For example, I had a heavy breakfast. Which is the article used in this sentence? A. Which is the noun here? Heavy breakfast. So the word heavy starts with the letter H. That means it starts with the consonant letter. So we used A before this noun. Next example, that is a pretty ring. Here which is the article used? A. Which is the noun here? Pretty ring. Here the word pretty starts with the letter P. That means it starts with the consonant letter. So we use A before this noun. The next rule is that we also use A before words that begin with a vowel but have a consonant sound. We use A before words that begin with a vowel but have a consonant sound. जो शब्द है स्वर से शुरू होते हैं लेकिन व्यंजन का ध्वनि है, उस शब्दों का सामने ये प्रयोग करते हैं. For example, Mummy bought a uniform at the shop. Mummy bought a uniform at the shop. Here, which is the article used? A. Which is the noun here? Uniform. So, here the sounds of the first letter of the word uniform is consonant Y. That is a consonant sound only. So we used A before that word. It is exceptionally. Yes, we can see an. An is used before words that begin with a vowel or vowel sound. Where do we use an? An is used before words that begin with a vowel or vowel sound. example, an elephant at the sanctuary gave birth to a calf. Here, which is the article used an, which is the noun here, elephant. The word elephant starts with the vowel sound E. An elephant. Next one, take an umbrella with you as it might rain. Here, which is the article used? An, which is the noun here, umbrella. The word umbrella starts with the letter U. So, we used an before that noun. Vowel sound के पहले an use करते हैं. Also, we use an before words that begins with a consonant but have a vowel sound. जो शब्द है व्यंजन से शुरू होते हैं लेकिन स्वर का ध्वनि है, जिन शब्दों का सामने an प्रयोग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I will reach in an hour. Here, hour, the word hour, H is silent. So the sound is vowel. Here comes a vowel sound. So we use an before that word. Dear students, yes, we can go through some examples. A or an. Igloo is a house made of ice. Which article comes here? An. Why? The noun. What is the noun here? Igloo. That starts with the vowel sound I. An igloo is a house made of ice. Next one. My uncle has dash antique stone statue in his garden. Which articles comes here? An. Why? The noun antique stone that starts with the vowel sound, that is A. An antique stone. Next one, Dilip is training to become dash architect. Which articles come here? An architect. Why? Here the noun architect starts with the letter A, that means vowel sound. So we used an before that noun. Next one, Mr. Gopal is not dash unkind man, but he does not have dash quick temper. Which articles come here? An and A. An unkind man. Here noun unkind man that starts with the letter U. So we used an. Next, a quick temper. Quick that starts with the consonant letters. So we used A before that noun. You can see some more examples. May I have dash sandwich and dash orange for lunch. Here, which is the noun sandwich that starts with the consonant letter S. So we used A before that. Before the consonant letter, we used A. And an orange. Orange. That noun starts with the vowel sound O. An orange. Second one, my aunt has dash house on the beach. It is dash hour away from the city. My aunt has a house, which is the noun here, house, that starts with the consonant sound, that H. So we used A before that noun. Then it is an hour. We have already said about hour. The word hour, H is silent here. So here, which sounds come? That vowel sound comes, hour. So we used an before that word. Third one, the farmer bought dash ox. He already had dash few goats. The farmer bought an ox. Ox, the noun is ox that starts with the vowel sound. So we used an. He already had a dash few gods. A few gods. Here few gods that start with the consonant letter. So we used A. Fourth one, as part of an exchange program between our schools, an Australian girl is coming to stay at my house. An exchange. The word exchange starts with the vowel sound E. So we used an before that. An Australian girl, which is the noun here, Australian girl. So the word Australian starts with the vowel sound, so we used an before that. Fifth one, Nasir is an intelligent child. He is also a kind child. See, Nasir is an intelligent child. Intelligent child is the noun here. So the word intelligent starts with the vowel sound, so we used an before that. He is also a kind child. Kind child. Here the word kind starts with the consonant letter K. So we used A before the consonant letter. Dear students, I hope you all have understood how to use A or an. Thank you students. Have a nice day.